So it begins.
Alright guys, welcome to the first episode of Restoring a First Gen. For those of you guys that don't know, this is a 1993 Dodge W250 extended cab. It is a manual, P-pumped, has compounds. It's the old man's rig. We're going to do a whole series on it this winter of restoring this. So I'm going to have Pops go over the plans, the goals for this, and then we're going to get right into it.
Yeah, so basically, if you've been following along at all, you know we've been going through some electrical, some other stuff. We kind of got all that buttoned up, wrapped up. All of the electronics are working, speedometer, tachometer, you know, all the good stuff. So now it needs some body work. Some of the panels are dented. There's, you know, it needs some love. So we're gonna tear the bed off, tear the fenders off, tear the hood off, start gutting the cab. We're just gonna tear everything off the frame, you know, get it down to just the frame. That would give us easy access into the motor because it leaks like something, and we got to reseal all of the oil leaks that are pretty common on these 12 valves. So that's the goal, that's the plan. We're hoping to get that done this winter so that by spring we've got, you know, pretty much everything back together, ready to go.
Today we're hoping to have the bed off and probably the whole front clip off is probably the goal today. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into tearing this thing apart and doing a full rest of it. Put them in a baggie and label them.
Tag and bag so we don't lose.
All the bed bolts are out, so now it's time to yank this bed off of here. Go back a little bit.
Well, I guess it doesn't look too bad. Oh, we got, look at all them spacers. Spacer. Brackets for your fifth wheel hitch. So, not too bad under here.
Muddy mess.
Yeah, I need to just pull it over there and get the pressure washer.
We're gonna have to pressure wash other stuff.
Let me look at all that shit.
She just needs some love.
Lots of love, I guess. We're gonna find out how much love it needs. I'm all out of love.
Now the front end. Alright guys, update. Passenger side's fender liner's gutted. Driver's side fender's gutted. We gotta probably start marking and tagging all this stuff so we can pull it out so we can get this fender liner out.
Making good progress.
Yeah, goes pretty quick once we've done it a time or two on this pig.
Once you know what you're doing, right?
All right, boys, we're back from getting fueled.
We're ready to dive back in.
So the plan is to get this driver's fender liner out, same to match the other side, obviously, and then we're gonna call it today. And we'll tackle the core support and whatnot in another video coming up. But that's easy enough because this kind of correlates with engine work, and we've got to still deal with the cab. So gonna get this electrical stuff figured out, get this driver's liner out, and then we're good to go.
Jamma.
The liner's out.
Dirty.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. We got bed off, whole front end, obviously minus the core support, both fenders, fender liners, and the hood off. Not too shabby.
Yeah, good.
We've done it a time or two now, so
now that we know what we're doing, not too bad. Yeah, we got it all tore off, and now we're going to figure out the core support stuff, get it all yanked. Next episode, episode 2, and then start tearing this down and get into the engine bay so we can start sealing it up. So,
and cab we'll probably just get the core support off and then probably focus on the cab for the time, and then we'll dive into the motor. Is probably my guess. So we can get the power wash and everything while the cab's off and all that. Also, Mr. Mac, if you're watching this and you want to paint stuff, we're looking for a paint guy. I know you painted your first gen, so maybe slide in the old DMs, let me know what you think. But that's going to do it for today's video. Take care of your 12 valves. Peace.